Hello guys, my name is ATP and welcome to a new episode of the Testing Indicators series, a new series on my channel where I test different trading indicators on thousands of trades using Forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, commodities and stocks to discover which ones are the best and at the same time provide you without any clickbait with real results and statistical analysis about each one, something that we have never seen before on other YouTube channel. Let's get started. So, today's indicator is called the Coral Trend Indicator. As the name suggests, it is a trading indicator designed to identify trends and potential entry and exit points in a financial asset. It consists of a smoothed moving average line that dynamically adjusts its sensitivity to market volatility. Traders use the Coral Trend to confirm trends, spot trend reversals, and gauge the overall direction of price movements. The Coral Trend is formed by this line, which changes from red to green according to the market's trend, and it also prints these buy and sell signals on the chart in the moments when the trend changes, and it will be with these signals that today we will take our trades. In addition, you can also use this indicator as a filter indicator to confirm entry signals from other indicators. On the TradingView chart, this indicator is free to use. Simply click on the Indicators tab, search for Coral Trend, and you can use this one provided by Lazy Bear. You will just need to have a free account to use it. And by the way, for those new to this platform, by creating a new account with the link that is on the description, you'll get a $30 bonus to use on the platform. And one more thing, for today's video, we will use the Coral Trend with the default settings, which are 21 and 0.4. So, to understand if this indicator works properly or not, you need to backtest it. And for that, you should go back in time as far as you can and check every signal, taking notes of the outcome. But, as you can imagine, this is a highly exhausting process that will take you some weeks or months to perform, especially if you want to do it in a lot of different assets and markets. But what if I told you that there is a way to conduct that exhausting backtesting process on 1,000 or even 100,000 trades in just 1 second, and with all the proven results? Yes, that's right, and I will show you how. To conduct all the backtests from the indicators presented in this new series, I created a special trading bot that gives us the possibility of quickly testing any indicator we want in seconds and with proven results. In the last episode, I had 15 indicators available to test, and now I have 3 new ones: the Coral Trend, the DD Index, and the Detrended Price Oscillator. As you can see, with this amazing tool, I just need to select the indicator I would like to test, and in 1 second I have all the results on my chart. And if you would like to test it on other data samples, with other risk management conditions, or even with different settings, you just need to tell the bot what to do, and again, in seconds, you will have all the updated results on your charts. And the best part, from week to week, new indicators are added to this special trading tool. In a few minutes, I will tell you how you can access and use this tool as well. And so, to carry out the backtest to the Coral Trend, I will use the same conditions I used to test the other indicators from this series. You can watch the first episode to recall them, but I will summarize them for you. For every indicator, I will backtest it in 3 different time frames: the 30-minute, the 1 hour and the daily one. Then, on every time frame, I will use the data sample from 2022 and 2023, with all the available trading sessions with an efficient and diverse portfolio of assets from different markets, which are Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, 3 currency pairs, gold, oil, the S&P 500 index and the Apple stock, being the data sources the most used ones. I will present you the results of every asset individually and also together, because for every backtest I will create a trading journal with all the trades given by the indicator in the 3 different time frames. The risk management will also be the same one I explained in the first episode of this series, and to filter losing signals from the tested indicators, I will always use the 200 period exponential moving average to only take trades that are in the same direction as the overall trend. And so, these are our conditions. Let's then start the analysis of the Coral Trend indicator. After inserting the trading bot on my chart, I can quickly choose the Coral Trend, check if the settings are the default ones, so 21 and 0.4, and you already know that I'm going to use the 200 exponential moving average as a filter indicator, and so I will check this option here. As you can see, all the backtesting conditions are the ones I have defined, and the trading bot not only displays every valid trade on the charts, but also gives me the statistics about each asset I want to backtest down below on the strategy Tester tab. And because I have the premium TradingView plan, I can download all the trades the bot takes. That's what I'm going to do to create the trading journals. While you watch the backtest being carried out, imagine saving hours of time and energy by testing hundreds of indicators in just seconds across any market with proven results. That would be amazing, right? With full access to this trading bot for a lifetime and weekly updates available through my Patreon, you can take your trading game to the next level. Simply click on the shopping option to find more information and important links. But don't wait too long. As new indicators are added every week, the value of this tool will only increase. While its current price is symbolic, similar tools on other websites can cost thousands of dollars. Plus, with new indicators added weekly, you are investing in a tool that will continue to grow in value. By the end of the year, it will feature hundreds of different indicators for you to explore. Grab this opportunity and get your access now before it's too late. So, after inserting all the trades on my trading journal, here I got the results of the Coral Trend indicator on the 30-minute time frame, here on the 1-hour one, and next to it on the daily time frame. In the 30-minute one, after more than 4,600 trades, it achieved a win rate of 48.49% and a net loss of 73%. Here you can check the results of every single asset, and by looking at the equity chart, we can verify that in this time frame, the Coral Trend in these conditions is not profitable. Then, in the 1-hour time frame, things look a little bit different. After more than 2,800 trades, the Coral Trend indicator achieved a win rate of about 50.88% and the total net profit close to 200%. Here you can find the average results and trades per year, with a profit factor of 1.07 and an average drawdown of about 20%. The strategy in this time frame got a consistent equity curve with a max drawdown value of about 65% that happened during 2022. Again, here you can check the individual results of each asset in this time frame, which are profitable and with some consistency. And finally, on the daily time frame, after 123 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of 50.41% and a total net profit of 3.79%, so a break-even result that can also be noticed when looking at the equity chart, which is flat. So overall, this indicator in these conditions proved that it is not very consistent. Of course, things can change if we add a volume or a filter indicator to this system, but I remind you that in this series I am just testing different indicators on the same sample and conditions to discover which ones are the best. In our ranking sheet, the Coral Trend will be inserted here, which is, in my opinion, the fairest spot. So the PMO will continue to be our top 1 indicator, which was tested on this video. If you'd like to access this ranking sheet Excel, you can do it for free. The link is in the description. Also, if you think you have an indicator that can beat the PMO, you can share it with me in the comments or on my free Discord community, and probably you'll see it in a future episode of this series. So do not forget to subscribe to don't miss anything. For those who'd like to work with me on a special project, from creating custom strategies to carrying out statistical and robustness studies, you can find all my available services on my website algotradepro.org. And that's it. Be well, thank you, and I see you in the next episode.